Okay, I'm going to give my Benjamin Titan GP 22 caliber air rifle another go, and today I'm going to be shooting the 22 caliber Gamo Rocket pellets at a can of WD-40, which has pretty much exhausted its air supply, so it no longer has pressure, but it still has liquid in there. So I'm just going to see if the pellets can open it up from 60 feet away. That is assuming that I can hit the target. And I'll be firing from a kneeling position. And make sure I'm in the frame here. Direct hit. See if we can see the guy out there. Laying down in the grass. Okay, this is the result of the 22 caliber rocket pellet against a can of WD-40 from 60 feet away. I guess that's a pretty good shot there. You can see that it is 100% penetrated. There you go. Try to get that right angle right there so you can see through there. That's a pretty good size entrance and exit wound. So I would say that this is a pretty effective rifle. And once again, that was the... Oops, stuff is losing out. Okay, once again, that is the Titan GP. That's a scoped rifle. And this is a Benjamin product. Put that down. And show it once again. Now, the one thing I did notice is that I have the reticle in the sight a little less than vertical, so it's a little skewed, but I was still able to hit the target. And perhaps one of the reasons why I hit the target was because it was a little screwed or skewed. But let me see if I can get a shot through the scope. Bear with me for a second. There you go. All right. Sorry it took so long to get that, but thanks for watching and bearing with me.